What's up, e-bike fans? In this video, we're going to be talking about accessories that will help make your ride a lot more comfortable. So let's get started. Okay, so before we get started going deep into the video, I just want to go ahead and make an announcement that Lectric e-bikes is actually having the Lectric 2.0 on sale. Now, this bike doesn't really go on sale throughout the year, so now's a great time to take advantage where you're going to get a Lectric 2.0. That's the one that actually has the front suspension now. That is normally $999. You'll get that bike for $949, so that's $50 savings right off the top. But on top of that, you get like $200 worth of accessories that normally you'd have to just pick up extra. So what you'll get, I don't have any of those accessories on here because it's a special deal that's going on right now. But just to give you an idea, you get a kind of a wide seat, kind of like one of these. Looks like about the size of a Cloud 9 type seat, or and you also will get a suspension seat post. You'll also get a premium light, and you also get a lock. So like kind of like something similar to a folding lock like this. So you'll get all of like the extra accessories free at $949 for all that. So it's a $1,200 value you're gonna get for $950. It's a great deal. It is their Black Friday sale now, so I wouldn't wait because it is while your supplies last as well. I do have an affiliate link at the bottom that goes to ebikeproducts.com/lectric. Type in that in your web browser. It'll take you to it. I do get a small commission if you do happen to pick up one of those bikes using my link, and I greatly appreciate it. And I also want to give a shout out to all of you who have actually used the links in any of my videos or have purchased the seat post as well. Because of that, I was able to get one of these bikes, so I can do a full review on it. This is going to be the #1 selling bike again in 2022 for sure. At the price that they have it at, what you get for the bike, it's going to be the top seller again. So I can actually do upgrades to it and also do more reviews. And you know, if you guys have questions, help you out with it as well. But this is all about accessories for the bike today. I'm going to be focusing on the suspension seat post. For those of you who are planning to buy one of these Lectric XPs, buy it now, because then you get one of these seat posts with the bike. Again, I mean, you don't have to buy one of these extra, but for those of you who already have one of the Lectric, either 1.0 or the 2.0, we have seat posts on sale at ebikeproducts.com/shop, and you can either pick up one of the black Zoom posts that look like this, or if you have one of the white models, you can actually pick up one of the silver seat posts like this as well. Now, on the ebikeproducts.com website, the seat posts that are on there are 31.6 millimeters, are guaranteed to fit on the Lectric 1.0 and 2.0. And it's super easy. This is how the seat post comes when you get one of your bikes. All you do is you just get a 14 millimeter wrench or an adjustable crescent. You just take this off here. It comes right out. And what happens is you'll be left with a seat that has just like these rails on the bottom here. And you can easily then just attach the post right onto the rails, just like how you see here. And that's it. You just put that on there. And on top of that, I don't know of anybody else who's selling the Zoom seat post that does this, but we are including also the tool that you need to go ahead and tighten up the post here that goes in there. So you don't even have to get an Allen wrench to that. We'll supply that. Now you do have to have a wrench to take off your old one, but if you already have it taken off, all you need to do is use the tool that comes with it, and you'll be able to easily pretty much install it as it. I do have a video also that I'll have a link below of me doing the installation of one of these in the past as well. Also, we include a free keychain key loop lobster claw for your Lectric XP, because we have to put our keys on the bottom here. You don't want a lot of stuff hanging onto this, but this is a great way to go ahead and take your keys off and put it to your key ring when you're not using your bike as well. So that's free, that we include on every one of our post sales. You can get these for $29.95 right now at the time that this video is being posted. I don't plan or intend on increasing the price right now. That includes shipping and includes tax. And again, you do get one of these posts here, and you'll see in the pictures, if you want, the silver also looks good on the black. So if you want to take a look at what the silver looks like, and you can even use other seats, generic too, but this is what it looks like here with that, and vice versa if you want to use the black. you can actually put a black one here. And this is what it looks like with a black post here. Okay, so the other thing I want to make sure that everybody knows is when you're using one of these posts here, this seat post at a minimum length adds about 3 inches to the minimum seat height. Now, if you are already an owner and you're maybe a little shorter like maybe I am, I still ride it with about it this high up. And I'm 5'5", so with a 29 inch inseam. So that actually is the height that I put it at. It's used at my hip. But even once I get on it, it goes down about 1 inch. So it will give you about, like I said, 3 inches for the minimum. If that is where you need it to be, it's about 2 once you sit on it. But these seat posts, so why would you want a suspension seat post? Even with the 2.0 having front suspension now, which works really, really good, the backside, whenever you hit a bump on the backside, you get the full force coming right up toward your bottom and your back. And honestly, this seat is really good that comes with the Lectric XP. You don't really need a wider seat. This actually has a lot of cushion in my opinion, but a lot of people like to upgrade the seat anyway. The Cloud 9 and the Bikeroo seat here that you see, this is the Bikeroo. These 2 seats are the 2 most popular seats being sold on the market for all electric bikes because of the wide base and the cushion that comes with it. But if you don't want to get an upgrade on that, you can actually just keep your Lectric XP seat. The thing is, if you have back problems or back pain of any sort, the shock that comes up from your back whenever the back tire is hitting those bumps can actually cause some back discomfort. And that happens to me specifically. This is not going to suffice for a dual suspension bike itself. But the one thing good about having a suspension seat post rather than dual suspension is that the dual suspension will actually take away some of the kinetic energy when you're pushing on your pedals because it absorbs it. So I know this is an electric bike. Do you really need to have that much pedaling? But those of you who like to pedal, this will actually help from keeping the energy to the actual crank itself and not actually going into the shock absorber. So hopefully that makes some sense to you, but needless to say, this actually adds the extra comfort to your ride because all the bumps that you will be hitting will actually help be absorbed so it doesn't go up and shocking to your body itself. Now, if you have a 1.0, you know that it can be a rough ride in itself without any suspension whatsoever. So with that, I would say you definitely want to get a post like this. Now, they have posts that go up to $200. I found that these $29.95 posts is more than adequate. And like I said, that includes shipping, it includes tax. That's what you're going to pay. Again, that's ebikeproducts.com/shop. Gets you one of these posts here. We'll be actually having more videos on other accessories that we have going on. So we also brought in some of the 27.2 millimeter posts. This is only for bikes that fit this one size. If you're not sure, I just know if those of you who are Snap Cycle owners, this is guaranteed to fit on this. This is the R1 model. It does not fit on the S1 model, only the R1, either the one that has the step through or the regular frame. But again, if you are looking for a post, we are now having these. Again, there are also $29.95, and they do include also the wrench and also the lobster claw keychain. But we're going to be carrying these for a limited time too. This is on the website. Again, that is ebikeproducts.com/shop. And thank you guys again all for your support. For those of you who have been picking up posts and using the links below, that is really greatly appreciated. It is allowing me to go ahead and bring in more bikes so I can do reviews on it. Okay, and for the last thing also I wanted to mention, we are bringing back the cell phone holders that were actually originally put on there. We are now including with these cell phone holders, these snaps in here. We are including also just a UV safety band that goes on it. Plus, we are also going to be including a cell phone safety strap that can also be used to go in it. We'll be doing more reviews on that, but you'll see that on the website as well. This again is the month where we'll be talking a lot about different accessories, also a lot of cool tools. But again, I want to thank everybody for all your support in the channel. If you want to know more about accessories, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to get all the best deals. That's another thing too. During this month of November, I will be looking for the deals like the Lectric 2.0 being only $949 plus $200 worth of accessories. That's a killer deal, guys. I mean, that bike is the best bang for your buck out there. And again, it's going to be the #1 seller for 2022. You probably want to get one before they run out. With the supply chain issue still out there, we're still gonna probably experience it throughout the e-bike industry. But again, we have more accessories coming up that's going to be posted. We also have our bags that's going to be coming in very, very shortly as well. So again, thank you guys so much. Don't forget, again, like, subscribe, and don't forget, comment below if you guys have any questions or have anything that you guys want to see that I might also have. The snap cycle, we have a new lock neck that's here I'm going to be reviewing. We also have quick release pedals now. Just awesome stuff coming up. I'll see you guys in the next video.